As business owners, we should always look for ways to improve and grow. And modern technology is just the right tool to do it with. Unless you live under a rock, you have heard about ChatGPT and artificial intelligence, and this mind-blowing technology can be extremely useful for businesses. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for business. So, the first thing artificial intelligence can help you with is customer support. Customer support can build your brand like none other. 62% of customers will recommend a brand to their friends if they received an enjoyable experience. 50% of customers will switch to another brand after only one bad experience. Customer experience plays a detrimental role in your business success. Ability to admit mistakes, address them, and grow is not just something for interpersonal relations. These things are crucial for your business too. At the end of the day, you still interact with people. They just pay you money for products. ChatGPT-powered chatbots can handle a wide range of inquiries, from answering frequently asked questions to guiding users through troubleshooting processes. IBM found that chatbots can reduce customer service costs by up to 30%. Use AI and provide a better user experience while cutting down on operational expenses. Second thing made easier with AI is content marketing. In the world of digital marketing, content is king. High-quality content helps attract and engage your target audience, and ChatGPT can be your secret weapon in this game. Do you remember we talked about the profitable Amazon businesses that bring thousands and millions of profit? The secret to their success is not niche, because their experience proves that simple products can be just as profitable. What's the secret then, and how is it connected with the AI topic? I'll explain it now. Let's look at some distant examples of Amazon businesses. McCorner LLC, for example, is an Amazon seller that offers you one single type of product: steel tumblers. Just steel tumblers. Their average order value is just $27, and guess what? They've made more than $150K in sales. Moonway Design sells cosmetic bags. This product is even cheaper to produce than tumblers, and this store's average order value is twice as less, which equals to $12. And ta-da! More than $900,000 in sales. You may say that these products sell well because they are practical and actively used by people, but how often do you need this in your life, for example? It's all fun and games until you find out that you can make nearly $30 million with these funny signs like Honeydew Gift Store has already made. Here comes the secret key to success: fun and pretty designs plus brilliantly made product pages that convert. What's cool is that now in 2023, thanks to AI, to Midjourney and ChatGPT, you don't need a huge team of people to make such designs and pages anymore. Midjourney can make designs for you, and ChatGPT writes perfect texts for product descriptions. No fuss, no wild expenses. Well, of course, you might need to fix the images that Midjourney does, because they're not always perfect, but it's quite easy and cheap. You can always go on Fiverr and ask a designer to fix the generated image for a couple of bucks. Anyways, this investment is a drop in the ocean, because the product you sell will bring you much more profit. So, as you can see, AI can generate a wide range of content, from blog posts and social media updates to email campaigns and product descriptions. The key to successful content marketing is also consistency, and ChatGPT gives you just that. SEO optimization with ChatGPT. Search engine optimization is vital for improving your website's search engine rankings and driving organic traffic. ChatGPT can help you optimize your content for SEO by generating keyword-rich text and structuring your content with relevant headers and subheaders. Aside from content creation, ChatGPT can also assist in other SEO tasks such as conducting keyword research, analyzing competitors and providing actionable suggestions for on-page and off-page optimization. Streamlining business processes with ChatGPT. Some tasks the AI can help with include social media management. ChatGPT can create engaging social media posts and schedule them, ensuring consistent delivery and engagement. Number 2, email campaigns. The AI can generate personalized email content, improving open rates and click-through rates, ultimately leading to higher conversion rates. Number 3, data analysis. ChatGPT can process and analyze large volumes of data, providing valuable insights into customer behavior, market trends, and areas for improvement. By automating these tasks, you can save time and resources while maintaining a high level of efficiency in your online business operations. To leverage ChatGPT for your online business, you'll need to choose an AI platform that suits your needs. Look for a platform with user-friendly interface, customization options, and thought-through security measures. Once you've selected a suitable AI platform, it's essential to train and customize ChatGPT to cater to your specific business needs. This might involve providing the AI with industry-specific vocabulary or fine-tuning its conversational skills to match your brand voice. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated language models and applications for online businesses. By adopting ChatGPT and other AI tools, you'll be better positioned to thrive in this rapidly changing landscape. Okay, now let's see Sellvia's approach to ChatGPT and the whole AI thing. Sellvia, revolutionizing e-commerce. Have you ever dreamed of starting your online business but felt overwhelmed by the complexities of setting up a store, finding products to sell, and managing logistics? Salvia takes the guesswork out of starting an online store, offering comprehensive resources, tools, and services, all powered by the latest technologies available. With Salvia, you don't need to worry about the technical aspects of setting up an online store. The platform specialists create a ready-to-go store for you literally in no time. Your store is ready immediately after you fill out the survey sharing your preferences. This allows you to focus on marketing and growing your business without getting bogged down in the technical details. Sellvia takes care of product sourcing by providing you with a catalog of actual items to sell in your store. These products are carefully selected and sourced, ensuring that you always have access to high-quality, sought-after items. Another major advantage of partnering with us is our logistics. Sellvia's products take only 1 to 3 business days to deliver within the United States. Sellvia has your back. Marketing Academy is at your full disposal with right tips and tricks from seasoned digital marketers. No pain in the neck, no worries. Follow the guides and enjoy the profits. Sounds cool? Book a free consultation by following the link in the top right corner or in the video description and find out how you can utilize the power of modern technologies to your business advantage, or learn the easiest way to start an e-commerce business. AI offers a wealth of opportunities for online businesses, and it's your chance to make it work for you. I hope you enjoyed this video about how to use ChatGPT for business, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments down below and I'll see you soon. Bye!